You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, pasta dish from Italy. If you want to learn more names of famous recipes and pasta shapes too from Italian cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up at the end of the video. The Italian pronunciation here is as pizzoccheri, alright? So pizzo, a bit like pizza, but with an O, pizzoccheri, okay? The double CH is pronounced like a K, and because it's a double C, you need to stress on that K sound. That's why it's pizzoccheri, pizzoccheri. Now in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as pizzoccheri, pizzoccheri. You got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.